Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. As of the 5th of November, 2024, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.76. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 2.94%. This equates to an average return of 0.23% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a narrow and modest upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely. The trend observed over the last 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 7.37% in the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 4.08% to 9.23%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 26.31% over the next year, with potential returns between 18.29% and 28.25%. This corresponds to a price range between $702.14 and $761.28 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY features the headline, SPY ETF price ended at $593.59 on Thursday after gaining 0.52%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, the SPY ETF price increased by 0.52%, rising from $590.52 to $593.59. This marks the fourth consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this trend continues or if the ETF takes a short break in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.3%, with a low of $587.46 and a high of $595.11. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, but remains down by 0.32% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 27,000 shares, with a total of 42 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $24.68 billion. It's important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $600.17, while the lowest was $453.34. Currently, the price is 1.1%, or $6.58, below the 52-week high of $600.17, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Today, the S&P 500 ETF, commonly referred to by its ticker SPY, is experiencing noteworthy market movements. Recent predictions from Wall Street experts suggest that after 2 years of substantial gains exceeding 20%, SPY may deliver muted returns in 2025. This outlook could lead investors to adopt a more cautious approach, potentially impacting demand for SPY in the near term. In the latest trading session, the Dow and S&P 500 experienced modest gains, increasing by 0.9% and 0.3% respectively, while the Nasdaq faced pressure due to sharp declines from major players like Nvidia and Alphabet. Such volatility serves as a reminder of the challenges within the tech sector, which has historically been a key driver for SPY performance. However, a recent rebound in Nvidia and a surge in Bitcoin to $98,000 have improved market sentiment, providing some upward momentum for SPY. Additionally, Goldman Sachs S&P 500 Core Premium Income ETF, which offers an attractive 8% dividend yield through a dynamic options strategy, indicates a shift as investors seek stable income streams amidst potential market corrections. Furthermore, the current market environment reflects concerns regarding inflated valuations, as analysis suggests the S&P 500 might be overvalued by 25%, underscoring the importance of fundamentals. Looking ahead, while short-term fluctuations may arise from earnings reports and regulatory news in tech, the long-term outlook for SPY hinges on underlying economic fundamentals and investor sentiment. Adjustments in portfolio strategies, like those seen with the RWL ETF, highlight a growing preference for more balanced, less volatile investments amid these uncertainties. As these elements play out, they will significantly influence SPY's price movements and investor decisions in both the short and long term. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at $591.27 and $583.18. If the price falls below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, serving as a potential early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to monitor the ETF closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, November 11, 2024, and thus far, it has declined by 0.86%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, 76 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, 250 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $570.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $7.65 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.3%. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.07%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $595.52. If you do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY meets its first. Our recommended stop loss is set at $574.21, reflecting a decrease of 3.27%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. However, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment choice? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable likelihood for the SPY ETF to perform well in the near future. However, after examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of November, we anticipate that the SPY will open lower by $1.54, starting the day at $592.05. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult a financial advisor before you engage in buying or selling any securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.